yo, Champagne Poppy pulling up with the swag and all that.
This how I'm coming. What you got up on that motherfucker? This how I'm coming. Tell my shit.
Champagne Poppy dit, this how I'm coming. Men, comment m'bral vin sou yo? Get, man, get it.
Get fait préparer collection ça.
This how I'm coming. Go some Hey yo, with the oversized clothes, you know, this is my shit. That's what I'm trying to do for 2026.
Yeah,
come out with
crazy.
the oversized shit.
Yeah.
Right, Champagne?
Yeah.
We gonna come
You
up
gotta get
like
photo là dedans tout.
yeah, we gonna come out like that. No, for the emojis.
Moïse.
We ba blush today, blush will be a Jay-Z.
Domine.
Yo, I don't know, man. The Iceman, so
Yes.
it today do blur, man. You know what I'm saying?
NASCAR though. NASCAR. You got everything.
On what's voice to it? Yeah. Don't play, man.
On the side, NASCAR. It's a
We love USA. Champagne Poppy. He got the drapo. Yeah. No, Nas Dart. Oh, gale on Lamborghini.
NASCAR.
Rolls-Royce.
Non, ouais, pour ça again.
J'aime voir des vents fait là, ça va.
Ah non.
It's a NASCAR.
Il met ça derrière là, man.
Peut-être mais
I ain't gonna lie, bro. This
Yeah, gale custom, man. C'est I don't know.
overly rich ass shit. Oh, where's my key got?
Probably Rolls-Royce too, ouais, man. I don't know what's ça.
La défense ça c'est Rolls-Royce qui fait.
Champagne, beaucoup ça non.
Wood, forest, camera.
Hein?
T'as cool avec design.
Non, beaucoup ouais là avec ça là.
Non, il mettait pour ça faire plus ça, il va faire permettre les différents.
On a Spectre, bro, with a wide body like trim on. Right?
Rolls-Royce, yeah.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, Rolls-Royce, man. NASCAR edition, machine course edition. Damn. Champagne Poppy, me say refait bagarre là, man.
C'est ça we fait le sur.
God damn.
Small detail.
We got the OVO shit. God damn.
Man.
Look at the details on this joint, man. Damn. The Drake, you can leave me in a tail light. You this I tell, you know what I'm saying? You got the tail light. God damn it.
Mansory edition.
Oh, Mansory edition. Même j'ai l'autre partenaire.
Yeah,
Mansory. God damn it.
Dem pas des noms ça, man.
Mansory edition, man.
Oh my God, what happened to Virgil edition? No cow, that hard as hell.
Oh my God. God damn.
Explain to me for what? Mansory, explain it. I got it. When my twin coming, twin gotta come.
Hey yo, you know what though? When my twin coming, let me get twin me. Vinny twin me gotta have the same joke. Pas du mobile baby say.
Qui est?
Joke, il a dit, you know what? When my twin coming, les bases me Vinny, les bases me les frères Vinny for le gay on tout. Pas dire que me say.
Twin with me though. What you know how they say in Atlanta?
Me say confused. Me say what comprendre.
You
know how they say in Atlanta? Ou kon je di la nan Atlanta, nan cash nek sa yo. My twin gotta have the same shit.
Twin gotta come turn with me.
My twin gotta turn up with me, nigga. Me twin.
Why is he bumping?
Twin gotta.
So,
man. Hey, ou kon men Drake léger tout, man.
Et comme ça, il est tout.
Yo,
Ça
Drake.
toujours été Drake.
That's you, nigga. That's you, man.
You comprends, il confused.
Daddy, can we do that? It's you, man. It's you, man, player. Get your shit, you know what I'm saying?
Confused.
Say confused. What you talk about, Pappy? Sit me in the chop I
Papi, on fait là tout. Papi, voilà, non. Mettre du champagne maintenant. Donnez-moi du papi. Mon pour vous être bien dans une machine pour le papi, non?
Yo, me say me in the chop I love
Come on, bro.
What you, this is me, Papi.
Ah, et c'est j'ai cause de yeah.
God damn it. You said me in the
Please one on me here, Christmas, bro. Stop playing. You troll too much.
God damn, stop playing, man. You trolling me, man. Hey, man. You trolling. You not trolling, man. But give me a hug, nigga.
Bro, stop playing.
Bro, she spun Dre, man. Let me have it, dog. You confused, man. Let me have that joint, man. You playing.
Are you serious, bro? Oh, Merry Christmas. W's in the chat for Ben.
Merry Christmas, Ben.
Come on.
You know what I'm saying? W in the chat for Ben.
Are you
serious, nigga?
fin baye den on mes back.
Yeah, t'es baye den on mes back. God damn, champagne papi dépense un peu.
Ouais, moi.
Dang, dog.
Yeah, that's yours. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, nigga, this yours, man. It's your shit. Merry Christmas, nigga. What you think this is, man? Yo, my crib, nigga. Champagne papi, stop playing.
You
know what I'm saying? When you pull up to my shit.
Yes.
What me got, you got.
It's sad, buddy.
I was trying to spill the drink on it.
Excusez me, I almost spilled my drink on your shit. Qui t'es ticlé et me tomber sous bas. I'm sick.
Just drink like it's
Yo. There we go. Hey, let's go, man. Hey.
It's confusing.
Hey, man, you need to be more happy, man. All that confusing shit, man. Stop it.
Oh,
yo, boy, I got that, man.
Imagine
Nah, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Nigga, start jumping, do something.
Come on.
Voulez hâter après des gars avec Look up and like, nigga, what? It's your shit, man.
Tell me your trophy, man.
There you go. Yeah, let's do the cha-cha. Hey, Drake, let's do the cha-cha, man. Let's do something, nigga.
Hell no.
Hey.
Bro, come on, man. Bro, I'm shook. Bro.
Yeah, come on, man. Stop playing.
Yeah,
très bien.
You gon' play on me. You know I got that deep with no box. I just brought me a lot of thugs. You joking, bro.
Hey, yo, you gotta have a friend like Drake, man. You know what I'm saying? Like Champagne Papi, dude. This is how he do it. You know, money ain't a thing for this nigga, so. You already know how he. Yeah, you see how he coming.
You mérite le tout, man.
Yeah.
On te met sauter, on buy whatever pour drink like that. Drink like
Yeah. I think he had got academic some shit too.
Yeah, everywhere. Sans surprise le gars pied.
Yeah.
Napton.
It's the whole bag. Hey yo, you know he sent Kodak Black $500,000 on crypto. C'est Drake qui t'a fait, yeah. Qui t'a fait, monsieur t'es vous et Kodak Black. Et quoi, $200,000 man sur crypto.
So dis-moi.
Yeah. Qui Kevin Plis. Si Kodak pas changé. Kodak c'est les crypto man et ça est avant Covid là. Quoi during Covid, pendant Covid là. Crypto yo take pot nika du $40,000 pour un grain Bitcoin, right?
Oh yeah.
Mais kounya la gon époque on grain Bitcoin te $120,000.
On grain là?
Yeah. Oh oui. Bon là elle te commencé mais on grain te quand $100 la monter 200, 300, devine 1000, 2000, devine 10,000. Gen moun qui te gan pile million net fait dans Bitcoin. Yeah. So Drake te vous el $200,000. Il dit yo Kodak ça fait là, ou gen crypto et you got a crypto wallet. Kodak dit bah rien ça non. Je dis OK et al créer yon et puis après ça checker compte là. Voyez numéro ba moi ID number.
Yeah.
Kodak créer yon. Il pas dit Kodak al créer yon. Il dit al fait timou yo.
Yeah, I call Kodak. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a real name.
Yeah, so I'll make timou yo. You know, you got your people that working for you, man.
Yes,
Tell them,
sir.
you know what I'm saying, create the shit then holler back at me. And then Lil fin create you really Drake. Maybe Drake drop like 200,000 on that nigga shit. Ça est pas de COVID.
Yeah.
So m'jam abdou la Bitcoin nan te ka mba sonje non te ka nan 60. Il te commence à monter 35 40. M'kwe pas de COVID il te descend. Par contre peut-être il te acheté au pas $30,000. Imagine kounya la chaque Bitcoin qui porte presque $80,000. C'est le plus tout m'ba sonje m'ba.
Mais gon ti ba kon
Parce que acheter mon son, m'gon ti bay.
Gon ti ba tout petit.
Bagay même yon bagay. M'gon mo so acheter. O ka acheter mon son.
Quand t'as fait 0 vite
oh, t'as fait 0 mais t'as acheté mon son, mais acheter mon son comme si yo comme si m'na dou et puis piscane mon son.
Yo bon ti ba.
Oui, yo bon. Ça acheter mon son. So si Kodak pas vendre ni il partit de des ailes Kodak chita sous millions là pour chaque grain Kado chaque grain you know what I'm saying so et Champagne Papi men son nèg et monsieur vraiment léger man.
Because them people love to talk about the money I owe you. Tell them I paid you back too.
Huh?
Tell him I paid you back too.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. But
Hey yo, quand Drake te doit ben son petit comme Drake dit mon yo toujours parler en pile toujours do men. Fait yo connaît m'TP yo déjà.
À l'aise.
Et puis ben dit ça. Did you ou t'es payé vrai?
Come on.
this is my gift to you. This is your Christmas gift.
This are you trolling?
I'm serious.
Yo, this my gift. Drake ba d'accord ça. Si soit ba de Kado, ballon Kado, pas dire représenter sortir de là.
Drake qui dit ça?
Yeah, you don't dit yo I did. This is my gift to you. Ça Kado, ça veut dire vous voulez dire que Kado a remplacé soit nègre sortir de là. Non, soit ba nègre Kado a balé. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, vous coupez les gars, non?
Eh mais.
You know what I'm saying? Pendant qu'il y a nègre là content, quand même vous
Dola tu bail.
je l'auti ba à pas.
It's Merry Christmas, bro. We got this.
Drop the camera real quick. Are you serious, nigga?
Camera.
Oh, dead serious. Drop the bitch, bro.
Yo, man, drop Merry Christmas. This your shit, man. Me c'est pas quoi c'est machine, man. Ba non tout style ça garçon, man. Dis yes.
That's
Papi shopping. I got it, man. That passe ici là.
Eh man.
Serious, bro.
I'm not trying to like tear up on camera, bro. Like that,
No,
real
I'm
talk.
serious. I love you. Merry Christmas. I'm so proud of you, bro. For real. This
Hey yo, man, tout bon, man. Merry Christmas, I love you, man. So nous camper là parce que monsieur a pacte. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So Drake font bel mouvement là. Il ba en machine tout. You know what I'm
Ça
saying?
bon, ça va. Il dit le fait Kado des machines. Sans côté ça l'autre
Yeah.
pas contrôler. Il va aider nèg qui populaire.
Yeah, man.
Et
Drake
then
a
avec-
Drake a ba joué. Bon,